Guess who's back? Back again. Back for more. I told you I'd be back. What did I say? That's where you're supposed to say. You told us. Okay. I hope you've been able to survive without me for 2 weeks. I uploaded a few days ago. I can't remember, but to say that I'm back, and yeah, I'm back. So the first video back is gonna be not another than a pack opening, because I'm the pack opening god. I'm gonna just get right into it. Okay, I'll see you in a second. Okay, everything's on. Okay guys, I am here on the game. You've seen me do it before, so I don't need to tell you. We're just gonna open some packs. So let's open the first one, and it's not gonna be a special pack, the first one. It's just gonna be a normal one. Can it be good?
What the fuck?
What? I don't know what's happened, but something's broken. And you can't show their faces. Okay, I just opened another, and they've officially just they're broken. I don't know what's happened, but the game has broken.
Oh my gosh, I just got ambushed by another player. They have less left.
Okay, I've just opened a special pack, but hopefully something happens, because I'm so confused right now. Okay. Okay, we're back. I'm gonna open this pack. It's an inform, but there's still no faces. Something's going wrong. Okay, I've had to cut this video short because there was difficulties with the game. I don't know why it broke, but it happened. So video next week. I hope you enjoyed this mess of a video. Jackfist.
7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9, 10 Mac 10s, the shits never end. You can't touch my riches. Even if